In this video, I will demonstrate how to log into Zoom for virtual meetings and Classroom. En este video les demostraré cómo usar Zoom para las juntas virtuales y el aula. The first thing you need to do is go to self-service to get it installed. Lo primero que necesitan hacer es buscar la aplicación en self-service para instalarla. Once in self-service, go to search. I'm going to type in Zoom. And es el último, it's the last one. So install it. It will take a few seconds to install. Va a durar unos segundos o minutos, depende del internet, para instalar. Once you have it installed, as you can see, it's loading here. Una vez que haya descargado, van a entrar. You will need a meeting ID code, which you can locate in Google Classroom. El meeting ID que van a necesitar va a estar en Google Classroom. Okay, so you will need to go to Google Classroom. In Google Classroom, as you can see, I created a Zoom test for this video. El Zoom test es para este video solamente. So aquí tienen el meeting ID. So lo voy a copiar. I'm just going to copy it from here so I can have it. Okay. I'm going to go back. You guys see it already finished installing. Una vez que lo abren, you will see the join a meeting. You guys can see it there, the blue button. Seleccionan. As you guys can see, it's defaulted to whatever the name of your device is. In your case, it's probably the serial number of the iPad. Cambien, por favor, al nombre y apellido. Please change it to your first and last name. I will need both. And guys, I know you want to add your little smiley face emojis. Please just stick to the first and last name for this, okay? Thank you. I'm going to paste the meeting ID on here, or just type it up. Once you do that, then you will simply hit join. Seleccionan, you'll get a couple of prompts asking you to allow access to the camera, probably allow access to the mic, select OK. Todos estos, por favor, seleccionen OK para aceptar que va el uso de la cámara y el uso del audio. Como se dan cuenta, you will click on Join with Video. Okay, and click OK on here. Allow, OK, allow. Opriman todos esos, and then call using internet audio. Okay, so una vez que están aquí, ya entraron a la junta. Pueden ver en la parte de arriba derecha que dice host is not in the meeting yet. Entonces el maestro todavía no ha entrado, solamente han entrado ustedes. Si seleccionan participants, pueden ver todas las personas que van a estar en la junta. Vamos a usar el chat. In the participants, we are going to use the raise hand if you have question, just like you would in the classroom. Okay. I'm going to exit the meeting just so I can show you the other way to log in. Salí de la junta nada más para demostrarles la otra manera de cómo entrar. In Google Classroom, once again, you notice that there is a launch meeting code. So if I click on that, on your devices, it will more likely look like this. So you just select it. And again, it will log you in directly. You don't need the code anymore because it was a direct link. You just join with video and use internet. And you notice this time around it didn't ask me for all the prompts because I had already allowed it the first time. Si usan el link que está disponible, más seguro no tienen que estar escribiendo o dando todos los permisos como de la otra manera. So, I'm going to show you one last time. Okay. Por última vez, launch meeting. Empieza automático. Join with video. Call using internet audio. And you are in the meeting. Now, if you notice, it says unmute. When you log in, van a entrar y va a estar donde no necesitan tocar el micrófono para poder hablar. Lo apagan. Okay. And leave meeting. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this video.